Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Are you looking for wall decor ideas to refresh your space? Those empty walls are filled with possibilities, and a few additions can make a house feel like a home. If you are ready to turn those stark, bare walls into stylish centerpiece, keep watching this video. No matter your style, we have got the tricks that can amp up your walls and bring out your personality and taste. Whether you are art collector, a nature enthusiast, a book lover, your walls can be customized so that you can be surrounded by the things you adore. Discover these wall decor ideas that are sure to add style to your home. Art undoubtedly attracts attention. Let a large painting be the centerpiece of one of your living room walls and watch its charm unfold. You can choose an abstract painting or also go for a minimalist black and white photograph. Absolutely up to you. But bet on art for sure for small living room wall decor. Three-dimensional panel walls are like clothes that cover all the scars and bruises underneath your bodies. However, scratchy or indented your wall appear. 3D panels wall decor is all you need to avert the situation, but do you know some of the features of 3D panel walls are for your walls to make it more beautiful? They are so spacious, thus customarily used in large rooms. The panel need space to thrive and portray their design inspiration. Despite being large, they should not cover the whole wall. Instead, you should focus them on parts that attracts the attention of the residents and guests. Their installation is mainly prevalent in living room, halls, ceilings and TV background, and also in your bedroom too. Another feature is spotlighting. Lamps provide the array of light that blend perfectly with the 3D panel to bring a sense of coziness in the room while echoing the appearance of the panel. You should, however, bear in mind the location of the spotlights to find the right angle that produce the best outlook of the panel. You should also settle for the bright colored and patterned panels. Color variation and patterns are the distinguishing wall decoration features that interior designers give priority. Art transports people to a different world altogether. Paint your wall with an eclectic coat or a scene from your favorite film. Else you can simply use a wall covering. Either of these ideas is great to infuse freshness in your living room. Despite being a highly regarded art form for centuries and centuries, sculptures and statues are still not quite as expected on our walls at home. Be daring and choose an abstract 3D sculpture that really jumps out from your wall. But if you do, pick out a wall that doesn't get too much traffic going by so it won't become obtrusive. Living room wall panels take various different forms. You can create your own panel board covered in a statement or texture wallpaper. Framing each panel as elongated piece of art, there's a big trend in wall paneling for choosing a pale, even finish that